This doctoral network focuses very much on supporting the development of sustainable transitions through democratic innovation. It is very interesting how the network focuses this approach on design research in 3 different key areas for the discipline: the activity of prototyping, practice research, and the activity of materializing and visualizing, which are key strengths when it comes to making design research relevant in the real world, in the real issues that organizations face.
What's distinctive about this network is that it's interdisciplinary and transdisciplinary, using design as a way to generate and test ideas oriented to making transitions happen. The second thing that makes it distinctive is the range of different partners we have involved. We have city governments, niche consultancy groups, large-scale consultancy operating globally, the European Climate Kick Knowledge Network. We have many other partners, including some of the leading academics and leading universities working on design, transitions and political science. So bringing all these together for the first time is one of the strengths of the network.
I am very interested in a project that does result in a real world outcome around a city helping adapt to climate change. I think longer term, I'm really interested in how design can support governments and other public institutions.
I hope to make an impact in the European Union with regards to climate transition.
I want to contribute in how the role of technology in policy making process involving citizen participation, so it's easier for them to take actions to move toward this positive climate transition change.
During this PhD, I hope to be able to produce insights and frameworks and tools that are really useful in real-life contexts.
I hope to contribute to empower unheard voices and to challenge and shake unfair and unjust relationship and power dynamics.
I'm hoping to gain a better understanding on how design can make an impactful contribution towards transition within society so that we can all live a better future.
Through this experience, I really hope to somehow find a way to integrate all my passions and research interests and values into a more professional career.
What I hope to achieve through this network is first being part of this community who has this larger objective to address this complex issue related to sustainable transitions, but also being part of this network who's working on different aspects to solve such a complex problem that we have.
Yeah, what I really appreciate about the network is that we can perceive ourselves like a superorganism working together on the same micro topic, each with different perspective, also from different countries. So the moment when we gather, we have the chance to discuss and create generative conversation around topics and concepts we're exploring. These are really resourceful and valuable moments.
I'm hoping to really tap into a community of both practice as well as knowledge and a great sort of community to collaborate with, not only with sort of other doctoral researchers, but with also supervisors and mentors.
Through this network, I hope to create a team of people that, like me, want to create and achieve impact in the field of sustainability and contribute to new research in the climate transition.
I often heard that PhD could be a really lonely experience, so to have a group of such incredible, smart, dedicated individuals to go alongside this journey for me feels really good, and I believe in the collective power.